Hello all, I am Ashutosh Dhok, and today in this video we're going to see the basic SQL commands to get started with querying data using SQL. Okay, so we will be using this amp table which is provided by Oracle. Okay, so the first command that we will be seeing is to see all the information that is present in the employee table. Okay, so all the columns that we have in this table. So let's highlight and hit run. As we can see, it shows all the columns that are present in the amp table. So let's see the next command now. So let's say we want a specific column to retrieve from the employees table with certain job, right? So here in this command, as we can see, we can fetch employee number, employee name and job, okay, from employee table where job is salesman. So it should give us employee number, employee name and job for all the employees who are salesman. So let's highlight and hit run. So as expected, it is giving us employee number and employee name and the job for the salesman. So we have 4 employees in our M table who are a salesman. So now let's see the next command. Let's say we want to retrieve employees sorted by their salary in descending order, okay, from high to low. So to do that, we will execute this command. Select star from amp, which is our table, order by sal, which is salary column, in descending order, for which we're using the SC keyword. Okay, so let's highlight and hit run. So as expected, it is giving us all the columns, and as we can see, the salary column, it is giving us the salaries in descending order. So it looks like president makes the highest salary, which is 5,000. Now let's see the next command. Let's say we want to insert a record in our M table, okay, for which we will use insert into keyword, okay, and name of our table, and then name of the columns, all the columns, employee number, employee name, NO, ename, job, MGR, which is manager column, hire date, sal, which is salary, COMM, which stands for commission, and deptno, which will be department number. Okay, so here we are selecting the columns in which we will be inserting the values, okay, and here we will enter the values for each respective position. So let's highlight and hit run. So it says one row inserted. So let's fire this command and check if the row is inserted or not. So as you can see the command, okay, select star from emp where ename is John Doe. As we can see, we are using filter condition ename equals to John Doe, so it should give us the employee, okay, that we have inserted the data for before. So as you can see, John Doe and all the other information as expected. So let's move on to the next command. So let's say for example, if we want to update the salary for employee that we have just inserted into our table. So the current salary, as we can see, which is 3000. Let's say we want to increase it to 3500. We will say update amp set sal equals to 3500. 3500 for employee amp no is 9999, as you can see here. Okay, so highlight and hit run. So it says one row updated. So let's check it if the change is reflecting or not. Okay, select star from amp where, okay, it would not be necessary to write this command because we already have this. So as we can see, the salary is increased from 3000 to 3500 as per our command. Okay, so let's see the next command. Let's say for example, if we want to delete a record from the employee table. Okay, let's check our entire table one more time. So the data that we have inserted, okay, before this, using this command, let's delete it and see if it works or not. So delete from amp where amp n equals to 9999. So let's highlight and hit run. We should delete this record. Okay, so it says as expected one row is deleted. Let's check it. As we can see, the data for the employee with the employee number 9999 is deleted. Let's see the next command now. Let's say for example, if we want the count of employees in each department. Okay, so to do that, first we will check all the departments that are present in our employee amp table. Okay, so this command select distinct depth no from amp will give us the distinct department numbers that we have in our amp table. So it seems like it is showing 3 departments. Okay, so let's see how many employees are there in each department, for which we will execute this query. Select deptno comma count, which will give us the count of employees as m count. So we are using allies here from m group by depth no. So let's highlight and hit run. So as we can see, in department number 30 we have 6 employees, department number 10 we have 3 employees, and department 20 we have 5 employees. Okay, so let's move on to the next command. So let's say we want to retrieve employee details, okay, along with the department names. So how do we do that? So here we will use the concept of joins to do that. So select e.empno comma e.ename comma e.job comma d.dname from emp join depth d on e.depth equals to d.depth. So let's see a little bit what is happening in this query. So we are joining two different tables, M and DEPT, using a common column which is present in the both tables, okay, which is tab 10. This column is present in both the tables. So let's highlight and hit run. So as expected, it is giving us employee details, okay, along with the department names. As you can see, we have various departments here. So that's all for the basic SQL commands. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe.